Baby grand piano for kids. I know it can be frustrating trying to keep your children occupied while at home. There are things that you may want to do but can't because you need to keep your children occupied. Well, I have got a solution for you. Studies conducted in 1995 shows that children who do this at an early age develops great brain power. They are excellent at multitasking and it helps children develop their motor skills. Let me introduce to you Schoenhut 30-key classic baby grand with bench. 30-key baby grand is definitive in style and durable for young musicians. It has unique chime-like tones that produces a delightful sound. The perfect width of the keys promotes proper finger placement. It has a learning system, with its play-by-color assortment of songs that bring immediate success. Most importantly, it meets the N17, ASTM and CSIA standards, intended for ages and up. The reviews have been excellent. It has a 4.2 out of 5. So if you want something to occupy your kids and develop their brain power as well, check out Schoenhut 30-key classic baby grand with bench. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Once again, click the link in the description below.